And have you ever been shadow banned from reddit.com? I'm going to show you 3 tools right here that are totally free. I am not an affiliate for any of them. I just want to show you how to solve this problem. Welcome to HTS, everybody. Hustle the Struggle means if you're having trouble with something, whether it's AI or you need some tools or something, then hopefully I can help you out. So the hardest walk to make is alone, but it's the walk that will make you stronger. So let's get started, everybody. And this one's actually pretty cool. The first one I'm going to show you because there's a lot more to it. So here's what I did. I want to show you what I did to check my account real quick because here's my account I've been using on Reddit. Ambition, let's go. And I had it checked, and I'm not shadow banned. All you do is put your URL, your username, your account name, I should say. All you do is put that in here, and you check the account, and it comes up with the results here. And there, I'm okay on this one. There's 48 karma. I've been having this account for over 3 years already, almost 4 years. And you know what, everybody? I do want to let you know real quick. This is kind of embarrassing, but I don't really have a script or anything like that. I just kind of go through and show you these tools or whatever content I'm sharing. But every now and then I might stutter or something. So yeah, I just want to put that out there just in case you don't think it's a glitch or something. But anyway, let's get back to the video. And I want to show you these other tools that are available on this website right here. You go to tools, and it's going to come up with all these tools right here that might be usable or valuable for all of you out there. Reddit Opportunity Finder, Reddit Brand Analyzer, best time to post on Reddit. Now that's real valuable. I'm going to have to check that one out. Subreddit Finder, website to subreddit. Check that one out. Reddit Opportunity Finder and keyword research. I mean, there's so many tools right here that I think could be very helpful to all of you out there. Now, I do want to, before I go to the next video, or not the next video, but the next website, I do want to let you know if you're liking this content, if you think it's valuable, it might help you out, please give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithms kind of share my content with other people. Also, if you like my channel, please consider subscribing and tap that notification bell for future videos that will be coming up shortly. I got a lot of videos I'm making, so bear with me. I'm one guy. So here we go. Now the next tool I want to show you is called cable.ayra.ca. This one's is pretty similar to the other ones, or the other one I should say. Well, I got another one I'm showing you, so the other ones. So excuse me for not having everything scripted. So all you do right here is you put your same thing. I am human. It's going to give you one of those puzzles to check to see if that you're a real human. And of course, I did it earlier, and it says ambition, let's go, is not shadow banned. And if you want to follow me on Reddit or something, that would be cool too. I will leave the link in the description below. I will have another link on there to my website/blog. You want to go check that out as well. Let's go to the next one right here. This one doesn't have no other tools, by the way. The one that has all the tools is the first video. The first the first website I showed you in this video. So then we'll go to the last one here, banchecker.com. So is your account invisible? Is your Reddit account visible? I need glasses, I think, everybody. Anyway, if you ever get the feeling that you're talking to a wall on Reddit, your post gets no votes, no comments, no replies, you might be shadow banned. The healthy or stealthy ban, where you seem active to yourself, but you're invisible to everyone else. Then you enter your username. This one doesn't have all kinds of tools. Now, I already did that. I entered my name prior to making this video, and I'm okay. I'm not suspended. Shadow ban suspended, not found. So yeah, so right here, copy accounts. Now right here, you could put more than one account. See, look, enter one username per line, e.g. Some user, another user. So this one right here, you could do quite a few. It'll bring up everything. You could read all this if you like. It's all there. And yeah, this is the video I wanted to make for you, everybody, because I also think this one's right here is probably my best one that I'm going to be using and picking up a lot of information, of course, because Reddit, as some of you out there know, that Reddit is really tricky. Reddit don't like certain types of businesses, and you just can't go in there and spam. You can't just go in there and put your links everywhere. You got to give value to that. So go ahead and check out the other video. The video I just made for Reddit is going to be up over here in the card, and check out my other videos that are going to be popping up in case you're looking for more website traffic. Okay, everybody, thank you, and you have a good day or good night, whatever time you're watching this, and God bless.